Hey, Mark Morris, the engineer, building a $150 million business. Just make sure you subscribe. If you take these guys are working, I'm doing a house inspection in Banning, so you see how we have a house like that. You got too many trees, they're gonna flag you. This is an old school neighborhood, so you know they have like the plumbing and stuff, so you can see those guys over there. Well, if they fly the drone over or the satellite comes over, they say, hey, they're working on the roof is clean, no problem. So subscribe. It's gonna be crazy with these houses. If you're gonna sell your house, this is the time to sell. Make sure you subscribe. This is the time to sell your house. We got layoffs, we got inflation, got the insurance company raising your insurance rates. Subscribe. Then on top of that, if the housing prices goes up, your property taxes go up. So if now is the time you want to get out of selling your house, dealing with that insurance stuff, this is the time to do it. Subscribe.